In the dead of winter, deep inside an American forest, something impossible was discovered. Radar records suggest the jet deviated from its flight path, a navigation failure, extreme weather, or something far more secretive.
One of Russia's most advanced experimental aircraft, stranded, far from home. With no safe airfield in range, the pilot had only seconds to decide. The pilot vanished. The jet remained slowly freezing in silence.
Within hours, U.S. forces secured the site. The Su-37's technology, thrust vectoring, supermaneuverability, a rare opportunity no military could ignore.
Moscow demanded answers. Washington refused to comment.
An aircraft that was never meant to be found. A landing that was never meant to happen.
Some secrets fall from the sky.